Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems involving volumes of solids with known cross-sections are actually quite simple if you follow this three-step process to find the correct total volume. Since cross-sections are perpendicular to the y-axis, we must express the boundary x in terms of y. Given y equals x cubed, we find x equals y to the 1/3. The side length of our square cross-section is x. Therefore, the area A of the square is side squared, which simplifies to y to the 2/3 power. Boom, easy! Finally, we integrate the area from y equals 0 to 8. Applying the power rule, we evaluate the integral to find the total volume of the solid. You got this! Clear win! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the wrong axis trap, and always remember to use y bounds and square the side.